Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Egg scramble is one of the most easiest recipes and it's one of the best breakfasts. Today I'm going to share a wonderful peppered egg scramble with a lot of that pepper seasoning. Pepper, as we all know, has some distinct flavor and provides a certain kind of spice to any recipe to which it is added. So without waiting, let's go check out the recipe. Here I have all the ingredients that go into making this dish. First I'm going to pound some fresh garlic and ginger. Take a few cloves of garlic and a few pieces of ginger to the pestle and mortar and just pound it till it's all nicely mashed up. Adding fresh ginger garlic always gives a very nice flavor to the dish. That looks really good. Keep this aside. To a pan, add 3 tablespoons of gingelly oil. Now if you don't have this oil, you can just use regular cooking oil, whatever you use at home. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the mustard seeds start splattering, add 1 large onion finely chopped. Saute the onions till they turn transparent. Now you don't have to brown the onions. Once they are transparent, add the pound ginger garlic paste, add a few curry leaves and mix everything well. Once the onions have turned to a nice golden color, add 2 small tomatoes that have been finely chopped. After about 2 minutes, add a teaspoon of salt, about half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. Once you've added these ingredients, just mix it well. After about 2 minutes, add about 3 teaspoons of pepper powder. So the flavor of this dish is predominantly pepper. You can adjust the spice according to your taste. So if you like it really spicy, you can add another extra 2 teaspoons. Now add about 1/4 cup of water and mix it well. So we're just going to cook the onions and tomatoes a little bit more. This is a very simple egg pepper masala that can easily be made within minutes. Now to a bowl, I've taken 6 large eggs. Just crack them open and whisk it all together nicely. Whisk the eggs and keep them aside. If you don't have a whisk, you can just use a regular spoon or fork to do this. After about 2 to 3 minutes, pour in the beaten eggs into the pan. Wait for 30 seconds. Keep the flame on high and mix everything together. Just mix everything together along with the onions and tomatoes. You can see that scramble coming together so beautifully. When the eggs are almost half cooked, add a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. You don't want to overcook the eggs and make it too dry. So you can see the eggs are nice and moist and they are completely cooked. Turn off the stove at this point, and finally I'm adding a small teaspoon of pepper to finish it off. Just mix that in. This incredibly simple and tasty egg pepper scramble is ready to be served. You can serve the egg pepper scramble however you like, but I am going to serve it in a nice fun way with these little mini dosas. Just add a little oil on the sides. I'm just making 3 small mini dosas. They look more like uttapams. Place a spoonful of the egg scramble on each of those mini dosas. Gently press it. Once it's cooked on one side, gently flip it to the other side and press the dosas. This will take a few minutes. I'm just serving this egg scramble in a nice fun way with these mini dosas. You can enjoy it however you like. So you can see how fresh, moist and absolutely fantastic the egg pepper scramble looks. This is a really quick and simple dish that you can prepare in minutes. I'll give you a couple of links for the other egg recipes. You can check them out as well. You can make these little mini dosas and give it to everyone, especially your kids will love these. Definitely do try them and share your comments in the comment section. So you can see how simple and quick this pepper egg scramble is. This is the perfect side dish that beginners to cooking or for bachelors or anyone can easily make at home. This is a perfect side dish. You can enjoy it with chapathi, dosas or even with rice. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.